Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on ratio, we will further or we will do more questions of ratios. Last time we learned how to express ratio in the simplest form. So now we will move on. Write each of these ratios of quantities in its simplest form. Now this is also changing, and you will notice, those who have seen video 1, the link is given in the description below. You will understand the difference here. So now we are doing the quantities which are given in different units. In the previous video we did when the units were same. So you see, this is kg and this is gram. I cannot cancel it. First of all, I have to bring them into same unit. Either you change this into kg or you change this into gram. Now here you have to be very sensible, because otherwise your calculation will get complicated. And as it is supposed to be year 7 and 8 work where you cannot use a calculator. So I would like to change kg into gram so that I can avoid working with decimal. So 3 kg is 1000 gram, right? So now I have both the units in gram, and in ratio we do not write gram, I'm in units. So I will simply cancel it and I will not mention gram then afterwards. So now I will simplify 3000 by 250. Okay, the last digit is 0. After that it is 325. I know this number can be cancelled out by the table of 5. Your table need to be very strong. You should know by heart till 12 or 15 tables. If you don't know, start learning them. It's not difficult. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. And 5 times 0 is 0. Again, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 will come here. 5 times 2 is 10. So finally I got the ratio 12:1 for this original question. Okay, so now let's see second question. I have taken here 5-6 example just to give you a good understanding. Now if I have to express that into simple ratio, I need to make them, it is already in the same unit, minutes. So I don't need to worry about units are same. So 40:5. I can cancel. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So ratio is 8:1. When I will start solving word problem, then I will tell you what is the meaning of this also. Maybe some of you can get it now, but I'm not going into that detail at this point. Right now I'm just telling you how to simplify it. Otherwise it will become too much learning in one go, and that at times become difficult for students to understand. Okay, now 1 hour to 1 day. Now units are different, right? It is hour here and it is day here. So which unit I will change? Quickly. Yes, you're right. 1 day has 24 hours. So I can write here 1 hour is to 24 hours. This is, by the way, the short form of our OR, right? HOUR. Okay, so now because the unit is same, so ratio is 1:24. Already I have 1 on one side, so I cannot further simplify it. What will you do here? Come on, quickly, tell me. Yes, you are absolutely right. $2 I can change into 200 cents, right? So this side I already have 75 cents. So now unit is same. So I can simply simplify 72 to 200 into simple form. So what it will be? By the table of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7. 2 will come here. 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 5 0s are 0. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. So I got simplest form of ratio 3:8. I don't need to further simplify because I cannot. Now let's see this case. As I said, I've taken multiple type of example to give you good understanding of it, right? So now if you have to simplify this one, what will you do? The best technique is, because you are already aware of multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000, if I multiply both of them by 100, I can get rid of decimal, right? Here I have 1 digit after decimal, here 2 digits after decimal. So this is bigger. I will multiply both of them by 100. So it will become 25 is to 150. Right? So now I can simplify it by the table of, yes, you're right, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 0 is 0. Then 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. So I got the ratio 1 is to 6. Absolutely right. Now let's see one more example. Here what will I multiply both sides by? Absolutely right, by 100. So when we multiply by 100, decimal will jump 2 places, right? Here also decimal jump 2 places, right? You know, from here to here and here. That's why I have 150. I think this knowledge you should have at this point, right? This is my understanding. If you still need explanation on that, you can write in the comments. So I will start cancelling by the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. So I got the ratio 3 is to 7. Oh, I have taken one more example. Wow. Okay, so now I think this is the last example for this video. Yes, the next video. Okay, so here I have taken 3 units, 108, 236, 260. So now when you're simplifying all of them, you have to cancel by the same table in one go. So for example, I start with the table of 2, right? 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So I have 54, 18 and 30. Again I can cancel it by the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now I can cancel it by the table of 3. Again I am saying you need to learn tables properly, only then you can do it. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. Now I got 9 is to 3 is to 5, and in this 3 and 5 are prime number. It means I cannot cancel it further. So my simplest ratio is, for the original question, is 9 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. The same concepts I will apply later on in the video in word problem. So if you will have a good grip on the basic concept, word problem will be a piece of cake for you. Aha. It's not actual cake, okay? Okay. So now this is a mixed number. I have told you in the previous video how to handle it. So let's do it. First of all, I will change it into improper fraction. 4 times 8 is 32. 32 plus 3, 35. So it is 35 over 5. Other one, 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 1, 25. And I told you in the previous video, if we have A's to B, we can write it as this to simplify it, right? So it is 35 over 4 divided by 25 over 8. And after that, I can change division sign into multiplication and then cancel it like we do it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And other two number can be cancelled by the table of 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 7s are 35. Now I cannot cancel further. So 7 multiplied by 2 will be 14. And 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. So my simplest ratio is 14 is to, 14 is to 5, not 15. 14 is to 5. So I hope you understood it. In next video, because it is getting longer, I will take another question. As I said, I will keep taking different type of question and we will continue solving it. So thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. But don't forget to press like and subscribe button. Allah Hafiz.